Hey guys, this is Savavio123, and I'm going to be doing Airsoft Bunker Part 1. Oh, here's the front of it, and I'll show you what that board does here in a couple minutes. Well, this is the front of it. Well, I'm still working on it, as you can see. I'm putting a board right there. You see all those holes right here? And I have to put a board right here so nobody can come in. So this is the front of it. No babies can get through. Already tried it once. Had my cousin, my friend, on the back of it, inside of it, and I shot at it. No babies came through at all, and nothing came through that at all. So yeah, and I might put a board right here, so just in case babies can't come in. Well, I just got done building the wall. Well, it's not done, but I'm starting it. I only have 3 boards. Started it 3 days ago, but then I had to go to my dad's. Yeah, there's that board. There's that, what's holding it up to, and this. Well, I'm going in the inside. Okay, follow me. Whoa, that fell. Well, here's the inside. This wall's pretty secure. I already shot BBs at it too. Just make sure it's safe so you don't get shot by BBs. Well, I'm going to show you what this does. Well, you see that nail right there? Well, watch. Door. Shoot out of. Now, to close it, you just... Sorry about my hand in the way. But I'm going to leave that open. I'm like, there. I'm going to close it. Oh, poop. There you go, it's closed. Closed up. It's actually pretty good airsoft bunker. Like, all I did was take a pallet and put some nails in it. That's all. It was quick, easy airsoft bunker. But it only took me a day. But yeah, and next year I'm building a 2-story airsoft building. Might be this winter, next year, springish. But yeah. And check out me and my cousin's airsoft team. Look up Team Hitless, just all one word. TEAM HITLESS. YouTube. That's what it's on. We have 2 videos. We just got started not too long ago, about a week or 2. But this is my airsoft fort. But yeah. So I'm gonna go under this. But like I said, this is my airsoft bunker part 1. Please subscribe, and like I said, check out me and my cousin's airsoft team on YouTube. We have 2 videos. But yeah, bye.